What's good, y'all? Got another reaction video from no other than Loaded Lux featuring Smoke DZA. It's called Prince on the Handgun. I know y'all seen it at the beginning. I love the video. I like the visual. I like the locations where they shot the video at. Nice storyline. And it, you know what's so crazy? It didn't even take that much people for them to really bring out the lyrics, what they trying to say. The song has a lot of substance. It's fire. Y'all can check that out on Loaded Lux YouTube channel. I just wanted to speak about it. I just wanted to salute Loaded Lux and Smoke DZA. Smoke DZA definitely been doing his thing. Y'all can check out the video. I'm out.
Suck me like the media, made a wish, hole in a bottle and woke the